Hello, class, and welcome to week 5 of BUAD 301. I'd like to welcome everybody to the week and give you a reminder that we are meeting in class this Friday on campus. Please make sure to check with the class location and time. You can either check at the top of Titanium or you can check in the syllabus for during week 5. You will see the room number and the time that we will be meeting for class. So during this week, we're going to go ahead and review chapter 6. What I went ahead and I have done was I uploaded a document down here for a chapter 6 overview for you guys to review. This week, I wanted to leave your content a little light just because you're already working on another project and we're completing our first in-class writing assignment this Friday. So I didn't want to assign anything else for you guys this week. And what else I went ahead and done was I uploaded this chapter 6 overview for you, which kind of bullet points down chapter 6. So when you're reading it and you're reviewing chapter 6, you could take notes on it. So this video lecture will be fairly short compared to our other weeks because of your in-class writing assignment this week. But I want to talk about a few things on what I'm going to be expecting for you. Remember, your in-class writing assignment will be this Friday, September 22nd, and we will meet live. Be sure to review the case analysis documents and make sure you know the format for writing a case analysis. You will write your case analysis on a Chick-fil-A case. You will need to provide the problem statement, the purpose objective, the alternative solutions, providing 2 solutions, also the recommended solution and action steps. So if we go up here to week 2 when we went over the case analysis, you're going to see the 5 steps case analysis, the full version and the condensed version. Let's just go ahead and open up the condensed version for now. It will take a few minutes while Microsoft Word is opening up, but it's under here. We talked about it a few weeks ago during week 2. So make sure to go through that and have a good understanding of what's going to be required. And make sure you come into class prepared knowing your Chick-fil-A case inside and out. You should have read it a few times by now, and then this week you can read it a couple more times. That way you have a good understanding of what the problem was in that case that you read. Remember, it's going to be your Chick-fil-A case in your case book that you purchased, which your case book, which was purchased, I'll show you in week 1. It was purchased through here, through Create McGraw-Hill. So you will be writing on that Chick-fil-A case. Make sure you come to class prepared knowing about it. You will not have time in class to review the case. We're going to go ahead and go directly into actually writing it. Let me see why this didn't open up. There it is. So this is your 5-step case analysis process, and this is the formatting you're going to write. So it's going to be in a memo format, and it will look something like this. Let's go ahead and get rid of this. So you're going to have the date at the top. So it will be September 22nd, 2017, who it is going to go to, which will be in the prompt. And you're going to put your name here, and then create a subject line. And then you're going to write the problem statement. Remember what the problem is in the case, what the purpose objective is. And this doesn't have to be underlined, but you can keep it bolded. Same thing with the other sections as well too. Here you're going to write your purpose objective, and then your alternative solutions. So remember, you're not going to have it listed like this, but you're going to include the pros and cons in the paragraph itself with solution 2, along with your recommended solution. So which one of these solutions did you pick that you're going to move forward? And you're going to write it here. And then, of course, the action steps, what the company needs to do next in order to fix the issue for Chick-fil-A. So always keep that in mind. And I do know this is your first case analysis that you are writing, so I am a little bit lenient in the grading, but just please be prepared for it. I grade a little harder as we move forward since this is your first case analysis. I do expect you to write a good case analysis, but at the same time, I do understand it is your first one and you are timed in it as well too. So for this week, make sure to watch this weekly class video lecture. I want you to read Chapter 6 and review the Chapter 6 overview PDF, which is right here. It's just a breakdown of what Chapter 6 discusses in an outline format. Kind of gives you a good idea. Read the Chick-fil-A case in your casebook and be prepared to write about it in class. You need to know the case inside and out. And then, of course, complete the performance review assignment, which is due this Sunday. Make sure you do complete that. And again, we are meeting in class this Friday, September 22nd. Please make sure you are there on time because, like I mentioned last week, you will be sitting in your groups. Make sure you know what group number you are in. I went over that last week during week 4. The group list is right here for BUAD 301 for your class. Just click on it. You will see your name next to a group number. And when you come in this Friday, you will sit with your group at the designated table number associated with your group number. For the first 5 minutes of class, I'll introduce myself. Then for the next 10 minutes, you're going to meet your group, exchange contact information going forward because you are going to have to meet outside of, or excuse me, during certain weeks with your group. So you could complete your group project. So please make sure you could exchange all your contact information, which I will explain that as well. And then for the last hour, you will write your case analysis in class. So I look forward to meeting everybody this week. Again, please make sure to know the Chick-fil-A case inside and out. Make sure you do understand it. That way, when you come into class, you are prepared to write the actual case analysis for it. Again, good luck, and I look forward to meeting everybody on Friday.